Hi everybody, this is Tech and we are back another video. In this video we are going to discuss that how to use the AI in correct way. Like 90% of the people actually do not know that how to use the AI correctly. They always uses a mistake, that's why they will never get the answer that they want. And in this video I will teach you that how to use the AI in correct way. In this video we are going to discuss on the several topics like image generation, text prompting, etc. So here you can see that I am on my screen and there are two software, the Copilot and ChatGPT. In this video we will discuss through the ChatGPT because ChatGPT is more widely used and more popular. Thereafter here we can see that it is my screen of the ChatGPT, and before going to start our main topic I will tell you some basics of the AI. Like these are the basics that you ever found in every of the software like Grok, ChatGPT, Copilot, etc. So before we starting to the main topic, as I will tell you some of the basic things that you have required to use them in different situations like image generation, text prompting, deep research, report, anything else, etc. So here the first option of add attach file, you know that. Thereafter take a screenshot and click a photo if you are using the camera. Thereafter several options that I will tell you. The first is image generation. If you are using the image generation topic, then you must have to use this option because this option allow the ChatGPT to think more about the images. Thereafter think like if you are thinking to create a several topic ideas, then you might be use it to this. The ChatGPT will think more and take more time to make the topic more better. Thereafter deep research, we know that about it. It uses the ChatGPT's more advanced model and it gives the proper research of even what we want. Thereafter shopping option, if we want to compare all of the shopping things and we want to buy anything through the market, want to compare the prices, then we can use this. Thereafter study as learn, we this is for the student and we have discussed this more about in the upcoming section. Thereafter we can found the web research. If we want to see the news, want to see global news, etc., then we can use it. Thereafter canvas for writing notes, etc., and the other options also like apps. The ChatGPT provide extra apps. Thereafter as a student I will start with the study option first because in the time of a study I got a lot of unwanted things when I watching lectures on YouTube or any other AI. So will this time this AI be helpful? So here I have discussed this in a very interesting way, so you have to see that. Here you can see that there is a message on my screen, and before going to use any option I have used it in a normal way. So we will compare what the difference between the normal way versus the studying way. So if as a student I came and I read this message, I got this type of answer. Now I compare the same question and then now I with the study option going to ask the same question. Thereafter we will found a huge difference. Like in this time the ChatGPT is making the question and giving the answer. Here you can see that why the multiple languages were used, and even this is the most better, like even this is the keyframes, and even it is more easy to understand like this way. And thereafter if I tell the earlier one, then here you can see that the ChatGPT is not asking any question, just the topic name and then what this do, it is just like this. Thereafter also they are asking that in which class or in which college I study, so it can manage its level. Like as a school guy, the language of a school guy, and the college, then the college one. Here if you got any of the homework, like as I asked the ChatGPT why the temperature of the outer atmosphere of the earth is lower than the initial of the earth. So here I ask the question, but you can see that the ChatGPT is asking me a question. Like this is a very amazing way. Like suppose I am asking a question to my teacher and then even before giving the answer it is asking a question to me. So we will got more knowledge, we will got more focus on the topic that we are asking. So here you can see that the ChatGPT is doing the same thing right here, and this is amazing. Now we are moving further for another topic, that is image generation. We uses AI for one of the most important reason, that is image generation. So here you can see that I was generated an image of two bikes. Here you can see that the Kawasaki Ninja H2 and Royal Enfield GT650. These are the two bikes, and you can see that the nature, the background, it is not looking realistic. Everyone can see that is it generated with AI because the background is the same, the bikes are not too much clear. So here instead of asking for generating an image, you have to ask to get a prompt, like describe your whole idea, then set to the ChatGPT that to generate a prompt instead of asking for image generation. Here you can see that I got it. Thereafter you just have to copy that prompt. Thereafter come and then select the image option. Why image? Because it says the ChatGPT to image make more better. So here you can see that the image is created, and So now we are going to compare both of the images. Here you can see that we have got our image, and in the image we can clearly see that the details, the nature background is much more better than the previous one. The details of the bike are too much higher than the previous one. The background, it is too much amazing. Like we can say that it is realistic, natural looking. Now whenever you want to create an image, you must have to use this option and you have to create in the same way. So now we are moving to a productive task, and if you got an idea to create a detailed report on that how to GPUs work or any of the topic, then you may generally create the report like this. Then you manually do the work. Here I will show you that how you can got it. Thereafter, first of all, the step is you just have to record your voice, and here you can see that on the screen there is a lot of option and you have to use the canvas option. Now, why only the canvas option? Because canvas option is especially made it for the written task that you got from the ChatGPT or want from ChatGPT. Here you can see that I generated the whole idea that is given by the ChatGPT. Now I'm going to use the main thing, that is I again go and then write the canvas, and at this time I will say that you are a student and you have the idea. Now you have to make the report. Now here what happened, the ChatGPT will make the whole report here for you. Instead of manually doing the work, here we got the automated all the whole main topic in a very simple, understandable, pointed way. Now we also got the point to download this. Now we have to move further for our another task, that is real life problem task. Here if you ask any of the real life problem, then it may be always agree the AI with you. So at this time I asked that I am a jobless person, then how I got a job. And here you can see that the ChatGPT gives some of the points, and here most of the people lack with the AI. Here what happens, ChatGPT always compromise with your thing and then it say yes, then you got the answer. But instead of that one, you what you have to say, you are on my place, then what you will do, what are the main method you will apply, you will do to make the thing more better, and what you want. Here you can see that I got my answer, and this answer is more better, more purified than the previous one, because here the ChatGPT is on a place and it is giving more better answer. So now we are going to use another option, that is shopping research. This is option for those who love shopping and those who want to compare prices, etc. Right now I was thinking to buy a laptop and my budget is about 890 US dollars in my bank. So I was just say the ChatGPT that my budget is this, and give me the best laptop under this budget for my high-end performance task. Here you can see that on my screen. I see the task the ChatGPT. Thereafter it start thinking. It takes some minutes. Yes, definitely take. Thereafter it give the summary. The laptop that here recommended are the best laptop. Here it make the list. It compare them, and it also give a detailed report of their components, etc. And this is how you can use this option. Here we have discussed about most of the things, but we have forgotten one thing, that is unique idea. Here you can see that, like suppose I got a unique idea, I told the idea to the ChatGPT to stabilize it in real life, or what will be the impact of that thing in the real life. So most of the time what happens, the ChatGPT always agrees with your idea and never share what is the main cause, what is the main problem in your idea. So instead of asking that you have created your own idea, what you have to say, you just have to again record your voice or message, then say that ChatGPT that it is the main topic, and like suppose you are on my place, you have got this idea, then what you will actually do. So it is more better than the previous one, like you are asking the question, it will just agree with you. Instead of this, you just have to record your voice like this. Thereafter you have to say that you are on my place, then what you will do. Here you can see that the ChatGPT is given the answer, and this answer is more better because here it is described all the problems, like what the problem that the AI will face, what is the main potential, etc. As per your topic, it may be differ. So in this way, you can use this AI for your generative task or for unique ideas, etc. This is how we can use the AI more better than the previous one live. So here I teach you, and this is our section ended. Now we will meet in another video. Till then, subscribe to our channel.